Liu Bei, welcome to your final resting place.
Master Xiahou Yuan and Yuan, head for the west. Master Liu Bei, lead your army to the south.
A defense base. Careful, it will put up a tough fight.
My lord, Yuan Shu's army is headed this way.
Liu Bei and Yuan Shu together? Get the attack ready now.
Did you think you could overcome this base?
This is one tough castle. It won't go down easily. Turn around, men. We're only wasting energy.
We've got to do something before Yuan Shu gets here. Break the floodgates. We'll flush them out.
An attack base. Destroy it before it does any harm.
Strengthen the floodgates! They must stay intact!
Think you can stop me? I won't lose a second time.
Enemy officer defeated!
Now's our chance. Press the attack. Must attack the enemy formation as one!
I won't lose a second time.
Enemy officer defeated!
your opponent. I must retreat. For now.
Enemy officer defeated!
The river is flowing into the castle? Everybody, get to higher ground! We'll drown if we stay here!
Now's our chance. Press the attack. Now the castle is bound to fall. All units attack.
Even Lord Liu Bei is done for. I'm out of here.
It's over. Master Cao Cao, please have mercy.
Supply base. Crush it. Break the enemy's spirit.
That's what we've been waiting to see.
I would rather live and redeem myself than die in shame. Enemy officer defeated!
My loyalty is forever yours, Lord Cao Cao.
I see no reason to assist such a lost cause.
Hey, wait! This is the first time a woman has ever chased me! Oh, now I get it. You're that girl who's been running around with Liu Bei. I can't believe this! You expect me to fight with a girl?
Would you like to dance? I would have liked to dance in a time of peace.
Enemy officer defeated!
Now is the time. Attack!
Finish them off!
Some battles you win, and some battles you lose. Enemy officer defeated!
Xiaopei is mine. The only place you'll get is where I leave your corpse. I never lose, and you won't make any difference.
I'm finished here. Good luck.
That's enough. I'm too good for this fight.
Now is the time to raise the sword of virtue.
This is an outrage. They can't treat us like this.
All right, quit messing around. Let me go, you whelps! You can't kill me! You're nothing!
Liu Bu, you are bringing shame to your honor. Even defeated generals have pride. You must be strong to the very end. Rest in peace, Liu Bu. It appears that my leadership and military might have surpassed even yours. Even so, it was a most difficult battle. With the death of Liu Bu, will the land finally know peace? No. The tides of time can be stopped by no man. No, there will surely be many more battles to come.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is known in one kingdom as a veteran of great ability.